In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy your first stock on Robinhood. So let's go ahead and go into our Robinhood app. And what you want to do is make sure that you have your correct account within your Robinhood account. That way you could transfer money back and forth. So once you do that, if it's a credit union, if it's your bank, make sure that that stuff is set up. And there's always a big process for that. So just make sure that's set up. But if you're already done that and you have everything linked in there and you want to go and buy your first stock, it's real easy to do. So as you see, I'm just in a regular investing account, and you can look up companies by their names. So let's go to the magnifying glass at the bottom part of our screen here. And what you want to do is go ahead and type in a company name. So let's for example, I have stock in AMC. So let's go ahead and buy more AMC stock. So all you would have to do is make sure you're on that magnifying glass at the very bottom, and then go up to the top where it says search Robinhood and go ahead and just type in AMC. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in AMC. And what that's going to do is it's going to show us a couple results here. You want to go to AMC Entertainment, but you'll notice that it's the company name and then the actual abbreviation of that company as well. So if I were to back out of this, and let's say I want to buy stock in Apple, as you see, it says Apple, but the actual abbreviation is AAPL. So you just have to keep in mind that that is something that you want to look out for and make sure that you're buying the right stock. And I can also do something like Disney, and you'll see that it says Disney, but the actual abbreviation is DIS. So let's go ahead and we'll go back to AMC here. And let's go ahead and click on AMC Entertainment. And what you want to do is once you're here on the actual page of the stock itself, it's going to give you the information. It's going to give you the name and the current price of that stock per share. So the only thing you want to do is make sure that you're in your correct account, as it says individual. And right next to it, it says trade. So go ahead and click trade. And if you have stock, you'll be able to sell those stocks, but we just want to go ahead and buy. So go ahead and hit buy. And then here, it's pretty self-explanatory as far as how many shares you want to buy. As you see, it says the number of shares, the market price, and then it's going to give you the estimated cost per share. At the very bottom here, right above the numbers, it says individual, and it gives you the amount of money that you currently have that you're able to use to buy stocks. So let's go ahead and, for example, if I wanted to buy one share, it would change the estimated cost to that current market price, which is the price of the stock. And then once you're satisfied with that, really easy to do, you can go ahead and hit really any number that you want here, and it's just going to give you that price depending on the shares that you're typing in here. So I'm just going to go back to one share, and once you're satisfied here, you want to go to where it says review. And then it's going to give you a small little order summary of what you're doing, of the stock you're buying, the price you're buying it at. And all you need to do to submit this payment is, as you see at the bottom, it says swipe up to submit. I'm just going to go ahead and swipe up. It's going to take a couple seconds to send it, and then the order has been completed. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and buy your first stocks on Robinhood. And you would go ahead and hit done. And let's go ahead and hit cancel. And then that stock will appear on your actual portfolio. So if I were to scroll down here, let's go back to the home page here. And let's go and scroll down. As you see, now I have 12 shares. I had 11. I just bought one. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and buy your first stocks